In today's video, I will teach you how to add a dreamy film glow to images using Photopea. Let's get started. There will be two methods to do this. The first method is a dreamy film glow for daylight images. This method is ideal for images taken in daylight, adding a subtle and soft glow effect to highlights. To do this, open your image in Photopea, then duplicate the layer by pressing Ctrl-J or by right-clicking the layer and choosing Duplicate Layer. With the duplicated layer selected, go to Filter, Blur, then Lens Blur. Then set the radius to around 70 to 90, but feel free to adjust on your image size for an ideal glow effect. Then press OK. In the Layers panel, select the blurred layer and change the blending mode to Screen. This blending mode will brighten the image, enhancing the glow effect. But you can also experiment with other blending modes like Overlay or Soft Light to see if they provide a softer and stronger glow effect. If the glow is too intense, lower the opacity of the blurred layer to soften the effect to your liking. Now click on the Add New Adjustment Layer button at the bottom of the Layers panel and select Curves. Then adjust the shadows and highlights to add contrast and intensify the dreamy effect. Lifting the highlights while subtly lowering shadows can give a gentle brightness to the image. Now create a Color Fill Adjustment layer by clicking the Add New Adjustment Layer button and selecting Color Fill. Then choose a soft light yellow tone which enhances the warm and nostalgic feel. Then set this Color Fill layer to Screen and reduce its opacity to around 5 to 10% to give a warm and subtle wash of color over the image. Now the second method is a dreamy film glow for nighttime images. For darker and nighttime images, this method enhances the glow of lights and highlights, giving a softer effect on bright spots. Start by loading the image in Photopea, then go to Select, then Color Range, and in the Color Range panel, set the selection to Highlights. Then adjust the fuzziness to around 20 to 40% and set the min value until only the bright areas like lights are selected. Then click OK. With the highlight selected, go to Layer, New, then Layer via Copy, or simply press Ctrl-J to copy the highlights onto a new layer. With the new highlights layer selected, go to Filter, Blur, then Gaussian Blur, and adjust the blur to where the highlights looks blown out and soft. Then click OK. Then set the blending mode of the blurred highlights layer to Lighten. This mode brightens only the highlights, intensifying the glow. You can experiment with blending modes like Screen or Overlay for different glow effects, and adjust opacity as needed. And to intensify the glow, duplicate the glow layer by pressing Ctrl-J. Then adjust the opacity of the duplicated layer if the effect is too intense. And you're done. If you find this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. And if you want to see more tutorials, turn on the notification bell to get notified whenever we upload new videos.